Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create or generate customer receipts in the customer menu. So what you need to do is to click on customer, then come down to take your cursor to customer receipt. When you click on it, you'll have to click add receipt. So put in customer details, Rachel, Rachel, the branch. I can change branch. Okay, reference number, the date. I'll add another date here. $20,000 payment method. Let's see, bank, P2, first bank. So you can add remark if you have any remark. So once you're done entering the information, you click on create receipt. Okay, we need to put the remark, create transaction. So once you're done, you click on create. Yeah, so operation was successfully paid or was successful. Yes, you click on OK. So if you want to view the receipt, you can click on view receipt to see the list of receipts that are already existing, the ones you have created, and the ones that are on the system already. So this is how you can create customer receipt and view customer receipt. Thank you for watching.